everyone, my name is Abby Andrew and welcome back to the René of Paris channel. In today's video, I'm going to be going over some fun looks for the fall. Now I know none of us really want to say goodbye to the summer, but one of the things that gets me going and gets me excited for the fall is the different types of fashion looks that I can bring back out of my closet after about a year of not wearing them for the warmer months. So I do always love getting to revisit some of my favorite fashion pieces for this upcoming season. And of course, as always, I'm going to be including some wigs to go along with these outfit looks as well, because of course the best part about wearing wigs is getting to change up your wig style based on the outfit that you're wearing and what you feel like wearing for that day. For this first look, I decided to go with a style that I have seen as a pretty popular look lately, and that's an oversized boxy blazer with some boxy square cut jeans. Now, of course, as we all might be familiar with, the trends of the jean world are starting to slowly move from the tight leg skinny jeans back into more of a box cut or wide leg jean. And of course, as always with anything, your style of jean that you wear is really up to your personal preference. But I feel like there's been a lot of talk on the internet of how the jean style has been changing from a skinny leg jean to more of a boot cut, box cut. I've even seen a lot of flare leg jeans coming back into style. That's the best part about fashion, is that you can choose to wear whichever makes you feel most comfortable. But for this outfit, I did decide to go with more of a wide leg jean. And of course, the best part about the outfit is the wig. So in this case, I am wearing the wig Kenzie by Noriko in the color Creamy Toffee-R. It's a really gorgeous medium length bob. I love the way these waves kind of flip out at the bottom, just a little slight bit of bend to the hair, like a really natural looking curl. I love the volume of this wig, and I also just love these bangs that can either be worn straight forward or kind of brushed off to the side. I love the look of this wig worn down just like this. I can give you a full 360 of it. But I also do love the look of this wig tied back into a low ponytail, so I can show you that look as well. Here's how Kenzie looks pulled back into a casual low ponytail with some pieces intentionally left out for those face framing layers. Now, if you're not sure how to put your own wig into a ponytail, check out another video we have on our channel all about how to put your wigs into a ponytail, from a high ponytail to a low ponytail, and how to make sure it still looks natural. For this next look, I decided to go with this really fun red plaid dress because I always feel like I associate red plaid very closely with the fall. And to kind of warm it up a little bit, because it is a little bit chillier, at least where I live in New York, as it enters into the fall, I did pair it with a long sleeve shirt underneath just to keep it a little bit warmer, but still keep the really cute look of the dress. One of my favorite parts of the fall as well is getting to wear fun tights, stockings, long socks, and other things like that, so I did choose to pair this with a pair of long socks as well. And for this wig look, I chose to go with the wig Alva in the color Marble Brown-R. This is a really cute, short, simple style, but it's just so perfect and manageable. Shorter wigs like this one are just so manageable, and I also really love the look of this bang. This is a wig from the Noriko Collection, and it has the feather light machine tied cap, so it's just ultra soft and comfortable on your head. And for this third and final look, I decided to go a little bit more of a bright, fun, colorful route. So in this case, I chose to pair this light blue sweater vest with a long sleeve shirt under it for warmth, along with this really cute jean skirt. And for the wig for this look, I decided to go with Sevill in the color Spring Honey R from the Noriko Collection. I love the length and the look of this wig. It's just so luscious and flowy and soft. It's also a really great length if you want to either put it in a ponytail or wear it down. And as always, I love the look of this wig in a half ponytail. If you're familiar with me and what I do on my own channels and how I tend to wear my wigs, I love the look of a half ponytail in pretty much all of my wigs. So that's all the outfits that I have to show for this video. Thank you all so much for watching this video, and don't forget to leave a comment below saying which outfit was your favorite, and of course, which wig was your favorite as well. Give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for all sorts of wig tips and tutorials, as well as the latest info on all of our new releases. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.